Hi everybody, my name is Cherin. I am a Seattle personal injury lawyer. I represent people injured in car accidents. Today I want to talk to you about road rage and how it affects multiple people and how it could affect your car accident injury case. As everyone knows, Seattle has some of the worst road rage people in the world, as evidenced by the crazy driving that you see from day to day on I-5, the I-90, you know, across the 520 bridge. They're all over the place. People are in a rush because, traffic is so bad, and people get angry when people get in front of them and they think that the person that cut them off should have took their time and waited their turn to get into traffic. It could have to do with the caffeine intake in Seattle. It could have to do with a number of different things. But people driving in Seattle have road rage. And road rage can affect a car accident in many ways. Road rage can be anything from people slamming on their brakes in front of somebody, trying to scare the driver behind them, to cutting him off again, to keep on this little banter going back and forth and childish behavior that is going to end up injuring someone severely that's innocent, not even having to do with anything with the road rage. Because these people, they get in their mindset, they're so angry, they're just going to cut someone off, swerve across 5 lanes of traffic, do anything they can to let the person that they thought they were personally wrong by, you know, let them know that what they did was wrong, and they're going to try to treat them the same way. For whatever reason, these people that, two like-minded people that are like, oh, I'm going to show you, no, I'm going to show you, who's right and who's wrong, and it ends up, hurting someone that's innocent. And in these situations, both of those drivers can be at fault for a car accident injury case. Not just the person that that comes in direct contact. It could be the person that is also enacting in the road rage incidents, such as swerving across lanes, slamming in the brakes in front of someone, or tailgating someone as well. If one of those cars hits another car, both those drivers could be potentially at fault for the injuries suffered by the third party. And which is great for the third party and bad for the third party. Bad that they got injured in this car accident, and not a lot of people would trade any amount of money for the type of injuries that are suffered in car accidents and the long-lasting pain and suffering that they have to deal with. But there is ways to get compensated from both of these parties if both of them are known, or you can somehow track down these parties because they're both engaging in negligent behavior that caused another person an injury. Either proximately, not directly, but proximately close to, their actions caused a wrongful injury towards that other person that was injured in the car accident. In Washington state law, you can go after both of these parties. So if one person doesn't have insurance, and the other person did, the person that's at fault that does have insurance could be held 100% responsible to the innocent party. So there are good theories of liability here to go after both these parties and find some type of insurance coverage for these people that are dealing with sometimes serious injuries that are involved in road rage type innocent victim car accidents. So please don't tailgate, please don't drive fast, and be courteous of other people around you while you're driving out there. If you've been in a car accident, I give free consultations. My number is 206-850-6716. And if you want to learn more about Seattle car accident injury law, visit my website at www.lawcherin.com.